make a white. Next. It's a crossing there. This in front of the runways. Maybe because the people they always take out from our countries there. We must crossing. Then the other side, the bird. Eagle.
Kites, eagles.
Yes, sir.
They also come to the airport.
Yes.
It's very dangerous
For aircraft.
dangerous for the aircraft. According to our
We must crossing them. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir.
What's your future plans?
Make a helipad for Mi-26. Major task. It's major task. Yes.
and Lumbu Raja Road.
Lumor is key project. It's a key project.
What's the difference between a key project and
Key
a
project
major
is
task?
all of equipment in there. But major task, maybe key project is in all of our mission in here, we must do it. But major task is only for maximum only 4 months. Minor task is maximum is 15 days.
Actually, that they have the capability to do major task and one minor task. They can deploy at 2 places and one.
Yes.
Not more than 2 places.
So, you're doing the Mi-26 platform
Yes.
and the road
Yes.
at the same time?
Yes.
Same time.
Now we still make a runway, but because I think it's easy if we make now. We don't have a receipt about the task order from the Indian Force, but we start fast because if I think if the all equipment in now in the Lumaraji is hard to remove back here, then that's why I make a force.
So how long is it going to take you to do the Lumbu project?
I hope until my mission finish, we can finish the road. Yes, because in our plan, I think about 16 months. 16 months.
16.